DAY2, the Shelter Primitive AI Survival Ultra-Realistic What If Survival Means Rebuilding from Nothing. This AI cinematic short film shows how instinct creates hope. Imagine everything you know is gone. Day 2. The silence is deafening, broken only by the rustle of leaves and the rhythm of your own breathing. Survival isn't about finding what's lost. It's about building what's next. This is where instinct takes over. Every fallen branch, every sturdy vine, isn't just debris, it's a piece of the future. A chance to create shelter, to find warmth, to forge a new beginning from the raw elements of the earth. This isn't just a story of survival. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the unyielding hope that drives us to rebuild even when we have nothing. Join us on this journey to see how a simple shelter becomes a symbol of resilience. If you're captivated by this story, make sure to follow for more.